on, brother?
Okay.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa, mi bro? No te veo, no te veo, bro, no te veo. What's
Tengo
up?
la cámara desconectada, estoy limpiando todo.
¿Cómo es?
Tengo la, tengo la cámara desconectada porque estoy limpiando todo la oficina, desarmé todo.
Ah, ok, I can
Ya
keep it
todo
up.
bien.
No, that's fine. Me voy con el grupo. Vamos a traer en vivo, bro.
Eh,
Oh, brother. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's crack some codes here, bro. ¿Y qué te cuento, hermano? ¿Qué te cuento?
Todo tranquilo. ¿Estás en YouTube?
Estoy en YouTube, bro.
Ok.
Brand.
¿Se ve mi nombre o no se ve mi nombre?
No se ve, no.
Ok, perfecto. Yo no me llamo Bren Badar.
No, what? ¿Qué nombre quiere? ¿Qué nombre quiere?
Y no, nada de incógnito.
El incógnito.
El rey del enlace, sí, dejémoslo.
El máster del NAS. That's okay, bro. No worries. Um, básicamente estoy esperando el resultado de la FOMC aquí. I go here. Eso va a ser un reporte que va a traer mucha volatilidad al mercado. Mucha volatilidad. So we're seeing what's up. Vamos a esto, vamos a esto, vamos a esto. Let's go, bro. Let's go.
¿Ya entraste ahí?
¿Cómo es?
¿Entraste ahí una venta o
No, 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 no,
esperando?
todavía no, estoy esperando porque faltan 13 minutos. So, I'm just putting things together right now. Básicamente, en este reporte que va a venir ahora a las 2, se espera que haga un balance. Yo he estado leyendo like some reports, like some stuff. Se espera que salga like break even. Um, so what we do here, we analyze. You see this? The last few months have been the same. Se espera que salga igual. Si eso pasa, man, there's gonna be for sure things going up and down all over the place, but then it's gonna end up back into the equilibrium of that area probably. So si tú estás aquí, if you're here, you're probably looking to sell into the market. That should be the move. Pero in news event, things go all over the place. So you can be in a very positive state and then be in a very negative state, like in a blink of an eye.
Yep.
So at this point, we're just waiting another 12 minutes. Waiting, 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 waiting. I honestly, um, I'm expecting to see the market going down probably.
Mhm. I'm already in sales.
You are? Yeah, I'm expecting to see the market going down back into these areas here. Like
Mhm.
at least back to the EQ, like here. Because if it doesn't, then it's just gonna do another higher high, and then the market is gonna go pretty wild.
Yeah, no, it's gonna
Pretty
come
wild.
back to it's coming back to that 350 to
Yeah,
3 area.
yeah, yeah. But then there's gonna be a lot of volume in the market, you know, going all the way down in the afternoon.
Did
Uh,
Meta already throw their Q results?
what's that?
Did Meta already throw their Q results? I don't know if I saw that.
Uh,
That's why I went
not,
up. Like I'm during the live session, I called to sell. We hit the TP all the way at the bottom there, and then I went up after the Microsoft Q
ah,
report came out. But we're waiting for Meta numbers today.
yes. Ay, ay, ay. Vamos al mambo, bro. Vamos al mambo. 10 minutes. I am in a sell. I'm selling. Selling. The only bad thing is that once you're funded, you cannot trade anything with a funded account. That really sucks.
Mhm.
Epa, epa, epa.
¿Qué pasa? Viva la raza.
Dímelo, manín.
¿Qué lo que?
Todo
¿Cómo
chile,
lo que?
todo frío, todo chile.
Bro, tú pareces como que estás hablando de un inodoro, bro, man. Like, what happened? Tú estás en el baño, bro.
No, mírame aquí, chulo, mírame aquí.
No, pero es que
Mírame aquí.
se oye como un eco tridimensional, bro.
¿Cómo va a ser, my brother?
No, se
No
oye
relajes.
lejos, se oye lejos, lejos. O sea, se oye bien, pero como que tú estás, like, metido.
Háblame de esta vaina que va a pasar ahora. Explícame.
No, pues tú sabes, yo estoy metido ahí, ya tú sabes, aguantando como un campeón.
Dame los códigos, manín, dame los códigos.
Pero ahí yo te lo di, bro. Esos códigos están dados hace tiempo, mano.
Pero refrescame la memoria, manín, que yo tengo mala memoria.
Esos códigos bajaron de la NASA, bro.
Yo le hice a la de fondeo $765.
Ah, no, pues tú eres un criminal, bro.
Sí, hoy. Y fue con el Zoom de ahorita, con el Zoom tuyo.
Ok,
Claro, porque tú me diste la luz.
exacto.
Tú me diste la luz y entonces
Vamos a ver. 8 minutos, hermano, 8 minutos.
yo me mantuve en ese canal. Cuando subía, vendía y cuando bajaba, compraba, muchacho.
Ay, ay, ay. Eso es todo, bro. Eso es así el paso, mano. No hay que volverse loco.
Hay
Eso
una vaina
es.
que está transmitiendo en YouTube.
Estamos en YouTube para la gente del grupo, bro.
Ah, ok. ¿Y quién es ese? Ah, que hay cuatro gente, espérate. Ah, que estábamos solos, ya yo iba a hablar de pornografía y vaina.
No. English, my friend. Speak English.
English, ok. My English is so... A little, como dice.
Yep. Keep it low, bro. Keep it low. Keep it low. Keep it low, bro.
The market is going high
Oh my
in
God.
the
And I was buying. I just did $400. I didn't even know. I bought all the way down here. And I just did like 800, like $400. I closed. It's 7 minutes before. You can be technical about this market right now. You just have to go around the report. It's expecting to be break even. That's what they're saying. And if that happens, then the market might just try to go back to the equilibrium. But I can see the market probably just going like this and then like this because there's gonna be some volume. Like there's gonna be a lot of volume in the next 6 minutes. So the market's gonna go all over the place and then finally do a move. But if it does, I have two areas where I might sell. It's gonna be here And if it goes all the way down here, I'm going to buy. These are the two areas that I'm going to be after the news event kicks in. Even right now, if you decide to sell, this is what you should try to do. You should try to aim to the equilibrium. Whatever you do, aim to the equilibrium, or even past that, going like this. I'm gonna see this. That's the kind of trade I should be targeting. And taking 1-to-1 here into the EQ right here, right there. Yeah, template. Template, there you go. There.
Epa.
That's it. That's a trade I'm gonna be focusing. But remember, your stop loss, it is their entry. Always remember that. So your stop loss, which is here, if you are selling right now, might be smart money entry. So I will wait for the market to come to me. If that plays well, I'm in, right? So basically, the second trade I will be looking at will be this. Obviously, the stop loss should be above the highest high. In case that they try to do another higher high and then run like you stole it, just run with it all the way down.
Let's go.
Those are the two trades I'm looking at right now. Right now, in the next 4 minutes, the market is gonna fly. Fly away, my friends. Fly away.
Luis, did you
Yes.
see the company to report at 4 p.m.? Meta,
At 4 p.m.
Microsoft, eBay,
So imagine
Qualcomm.
that's gonna be insane for the market, like insane report. 4 p.m. today. Honestly, I think the
Trump
market
speaks at
might
3.
try to do another higher high today. I truly believe so.
That's why it has to go down. I said that today in this morning session. It has to come all the way down to grab all those gaps in that liquidity to
Yeah.
go up. We have Meta, we have Microsoft, and we have Trump speaking as well. We have President Trump speaking at 3
Oh my God.
Central.
Oh my God. We're gonna make all the
Ay,
money,
Tron a 4 p.m. también.
in
Hmm.
the world, plus whatever
Tron,
is in Mars and Jupiter, we're gonna make that money too. We're gonna make all
Luis,
the money in the world, plus in other planets.
Luis,
What's up,
¿qué
man?
tiempo? Disculpa que te pregunte en español. ¿Qué tiempo tú tenías que no veía un día tan cargado de información como hoy?
This year. There has been a few this year.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Power, Tron y toda esa compañía junta, más
Yeah,
la
yeah,
data
yeah.
de esta.
This year. Bro, remember what Trump did just, the beginning of the year, that he crashed the market just in one day.
Yes,
That was a lot. That was a lot just in one day. What he did that day, I haven't seen it for years. For years. And that was just in one day. So today, I don't know if it's gonna be similar like that, but I'm confident there will be a lot. A lot of movements. For those who have you know what? Let me trade my real account. So 2 minutes.
¿Qué es lo que más? Nadie no te veía.
I'm
Estaba aquí,
trading my
baby.
real account and I'm going to go hard. Go hard. And I'm going to do whatever everybody else is doing. I'm going to do the opposite. So I'm buying. I'm buying right now on my real account. I'm buying on my real account. The opposite of whatever like anybody's doing right now. Because I can't. I got so much money on that account that account can literally can handle the end of the world and should be okay. So I'm trading my real account right now. Let's see. And I am buying. So imagine that. I am buying right now. The opposite of whatever everybody else is doing. I am taking it right now. And let's see. Let's see. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. The market is truly, it is coming break even. Let's see. There you go, familia. Actual, exactly break even. Exactly what we talk. Break even. And you see, it's not moving. It's truly just not moving. And I am deep in profits in my real account. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, yes, yes. Oh my God. Ay, ay, ay. Yo compré mi bro. I bought in my real account and I closed. I just closed. I just closed. I killed this. Oh my God. I cannot believe. You see, because I'm expecting the price to come up here. That's why I bought from here. See, everything is like calculated, right? I bought in my real account and I got out right away. So it broke even. That's what I said for me. Like, you see, they were expecting to see that like breaking even. And when that happened, the market just not do much and try to go back to that equilibrium. So sales should be okay. But what I was trading was the impact of that movement of the market. So the impact of that went all the way up there. I got out of it right away, like right away. But honestly, right now, breaking even, and now for the investors, they have a clear window of where things might flow. Back to the EQ, familia.
Dale que te dio.
Back to the
Dale que te dio.
EQ. Let's go. Let's go. Back to the
Let's go,
EQ.
familia.
Ay, ay,
Let's
ay.
go,
Familia,
familia.
if you're in this sale, remember to close 101, just like we had it here. Just remember to, okay, trailing stop, activate trailing stop now, please. If you are in deep in profit, activate trailing stop. Activate trailing stop. Activate trailing stop for a reason, because the market is gonna do that wild, crazy move.
Let's go, familia.
Activate trailing stop. I'm telling you right now, activate trailing stop. If you are selling, activate trailing stop. I am buying again. I'm doing impact trading and buying. I am doing impact trading and buying.
¿Se puede tradear con la cuenta de fondeo ahora, Luisito?
Sí, sí.
Son 3 minutos apenas, espérate 5.
Yeah, más o menos. Wow. $400 up. Let's go. Oh my God. I am trading my funded accounts. I am trading my funded accounts now. I did my real account on the buy. I got out right away. Now I'm trading my funded account. As I said, I'm buying on my funded accounts. And the reason why I'm buying is because it hit that top of Asia, and that's where liquidity is sitting right now. So you guys can see the impact of that, of the market going there when indecisions is still in the air. And on that sale, as I said, activate your trailing stop. Let's go. Let's go. I said I'm in a buy. Let's go. Let's
Let's
go.
go, familia.
Vámonos. Let's go. This is life. Man, we're making money, man. Like, we're making all the money in the world.
Ahí está, mira.
We're making money here. We're not joking here.
We are making money. Money, 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 money.
We are making money. What's going on? The three horsemen life.
Ahora viene Power a las 2:30 ahora.
Yeah, I know, I know. Powell, he just, talking, talking, talking. Then when he shows a report, everybody goes wild. It's usually like what, like 20 minutes down. Like when he's talking, it's like 20 minutes, 10, 15 minutes, half hour. And it is a very important report. Let me close this out here. Federal Today Reserve leaves rate unchanged. Look at that. Leave it unchanged. That's, as I said, I got some under the table information about that, and that's what it was expected to happen. Exactly what happened. Now we gotta wait for everything else. But investors are not, look at that, familia. So I said on the sell, activate your trailing stop because it actually came really low. We should have win there. It's just gonna stay lingering in this area for some time. Like it is a wild market, but we make money with the market going up. Then we make money with the market going down. Then we make money with the market going up again. All of that, it says price action. Price action, family. You need to have a game plan, execute, win, get out. Don't stick to this for too long. Because then all the money that you just made, then you lose it. And you're like, I can't believe, I make all this money and then I don't make any money. Like, what's it? You have a game plan of winning and then losing. Right now, based on what I just told you, I'm out of the market. I got out on trailing stop, pushing the market back up, and I am good. I am good. I am not trading right now. I am waiting for the next opportunity. And will be probably after 4 p.m. when all these reports come out. Because the price, since it broke even, it might just stay within because it's ranging. Right now the market is ranging, believe it or not. It is, look, highest point here, lowest point right here. Boom. It might just stay there for some time until it breaks either or. We are in a premium. We are still in a premium zone. We are in a premium. So you should be focusing to buying into the market right now because of that premium zone. So if you look at the EQ, right? EQ, you got the 50%, you're above that. You are above the EQ. So basically that's it, familia. All we got to do is wait. Wait another 2 hours. I don't know. Just made all the money in the world right now. My goodness, my head is about to explode. Can't remember the last time I make all this money in one day.
Let's go, familia. Vamos a hacer dinero.
Dinero, dinero, dinero.
800 tablas.
Gold is going to keep on crashing too.
Gold?
I
Yeah.
called the sell today at 33.10. And I just hit all the EMAs. It's crossing again. It's going to keep on dropping even more.
Ay, ay, ay. Golding, golding, gold. The one and only. The mother of consolidation, gold. Mr. Incognito. What's going on, bro?
Good, bro. I waited for the sell at the top. I got in the sell at 58.
Yeah, yeah.
On the future side, 58. I
Oh,
made,
okay.
so I hit the max on that new account, so I can't make more on that account for the day.
All right. I made there 1,797 on one account on the 50K account, 150K account.
Yeah.
And on my real account, that's what I made the real money. In there, I made $9,052. 100%, no split.
Nice.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go, familia. Vamos,
Can you,
vamos, vamos. Ahora hay que esperar el discurso de Powell.
Yeah, so wait for 20 minutes maybe to see what he says. This is like easy money, man. Like once you know what you're doing, bro, it's like this is so easy. Like this is so easy, man. Easy money, bro. Like trading is one of those things that you need to educate yourself so you understand how things work here, right? A lot of people when they see this, they only see like like most people that I talk about this, they don't know what they're seeing. They only see a thing going up and down. That's why they say, "Oh, it's just going up and down." I don't know what to do. But once they learn, it's really hard for them to unsee what they know. It's like, "Oh my God, now I get it." And there's always some like more and more and more. There's always something else to learn in trading. That's what I like about trading is that it's changing so much that one year it could be acting one way, the next year it could be acting different. But there's something in trading that never changes. And it's the purpose of investors. What they want to do in trading is to make money. Nobody come here to lose money. Nobody. Everybody wants to make money. So they use everything they know to make money, including really dirty moves. Really dirty moves just to go after your money and get out. That's why it's very important for you to learn the instrument that you're trading and focus in learning everything in and out. I tell everybody, put 10,000 hours in an instrument and then move to the next one. Put 10,000 hours mastering it and move to the next one. If you don't have 10,000 hours in an instrument, don't trade the next one. Put 10,000 hours, put a clock, cook, and start counting. 10,000 hours. Good. Trade the next instrument. In 10,000 hours, you should master any instrument. And when I say master, it's understanding like what, okay, for example, pick one, whatever. Let's say NAS right now. Why is not moving that way? What is NAS? You start by that question, like, what is NAS? Like, what is NAS, right? And then start moving from there, right? Once you learn what is NAS, why NAS move the way it's moving, then you say, okay, NAS is now boring. I'm going to learn gold. And then what is gold? And then start learning what moves gold. What are the players behind gold that are completely different than the ones in NAS? Because then what happened is you're going to learn that gold behaves different than NAS. So you need to learn how to trade gold so you can win. You cannot trade gold the same way you trade NAS. You cannot trade NAS the same way you trade Euro USD. Or trade Euro USD the same way you trade, for example, SP 500 or whatever you want. They are different instruments. You have to learn, master how they move, understand how it moves, so then you can make money. If you're constantly moving from one instrument to the next, trying to find something, that's why you're gonna see your account going up one day and then down the next day, up one day and then now, because your mind is not focusing the movement of the market in one particular instrument. Like I have a lot of things on my side here, but that only gave it to me time. I studying all this stuff. Like I know how Apple moves, how Microsoft move, how Netflix move. I know how all these forex tools here move. I know them by heart, but it took me a long time to master that. A long time, a long ass time. You guys see me that I'm not trading gold or I'm not switching like from one to the next. Like, oh my God, I'm trading NAS. Oh no, now I'm trading gold. Oh no, I'm trading. I'm not doing that. I try to focus just in one thing and trade that. I made the money, which is my purpose. I'm here to make money. I'm not here to gamble. I'm here to make money. Once I make the money, I run with my bag. You know, I get out. I don't trade it. And when the day is not good for me to trade and I see the market not moving the way I'm expecting, it's a cash day. I don't push it. Just Be happy. Go play golf, go walk the dog, go ride your motorcycle. Don't stress yourself. Just don't do it. Because when you're pushing it, you're gonna find problems. Even when you don't like when you have a perfect setup, you need to be open to lose. It's part of what we do. You need to be open to lose and feel comfortable with that. Celebrate it. Because when you put a stop loss on a trade and you actually hit a stop loss, that's the limit of you protecting your account. You're like, oh my God, I just did something amazing. I just saved myself a losing $2,000. I just lost 500, which you can recover the next day in one trade. You should celebrate that and feel proud about it that you don't have to buy another prop firm or do something really crazy. Because this is what happened. And this is like the mentality that we're in. A lot of times we are in a trade that we say, okay, here is supposed to go down. But if it goes into this level and it hits my stop loss, I should be okay. So you open the trade, poof, and the market will do movement that will go into your psychology and let you know that, hey, maybe, yeah, we're going to go close to your stop loss and go down. Or maybe there's another area on the very top because of inducement that it might just go there and go down. And then you're like, oh my God, wait a minute. No, it's gonna go higher. So you move that stop loss higher, you move it higher, you move it higher. And it keeps tricking you like that. And within a few minutes, it's way past your original stop loss. And you're now, instead of losing 500, you're losing $1,000, $2,000. And at that point, it's just so hard for you to like even recover that you let the account blow. You're like, I don't care. I just reset it or I just buy whatever. And what you don't understand that behavior repeats every single day, and you're not just lost $500 by resetting an account. Now you lost of your real money, of your overtime, of your savings, a good chunk of money that you could have just cut it when you left that stop loss hit on the first time. And by the time you're thinking of recovering all that money, at that point, like if you just lost, let's say $500, and the next day you come and recover that $500, and the next day you make an extra $1,000. You know what I mean? Instead of you trying to recover, you're actually making money. At the end of the day, you're not losing money. You're wasting time. That's what what a stop loss represent to me. Time that I'm saving. It's not the money. It's the time that I'm saving. Oh, this is all about time. Or either you spend 8 hours here, with your heart pumping like at a million, I don't know, whatever, or you do what you're supposed to do and walk out and enjoy the day. It's all about choices. Or you are a gambler, you trying to like win all the time, or you do your trade and live with the results and you walk out like a champion. Either or. I learned that the hard way. I tell you that much. It really sucks to lose $110,000. It really sucks. But anyways, we just gotta wait. Wait right now for the next setup. I'm still very positive that the market might just come really, really low. I'm still very positive about that. If it doesn't do that move in the next 2 hours, with all these reports that are coming out, you might see the market doing another higher high. You might. If those reports come, in a good note, you might see the market doing another higher high. And I truly believe that they might just do it. But before doing that, it needs to play around and grab a lot of this liquidity here that has been doing it across, the day of New York and even London. And remember, familia, when I started the session in the morning, my observations about the two previous markets were in Asia, a clear consolidation here. Look, familia, this is clear consolidation. Then London, clear manipulation here. Look at that. That's it cannot go wrong. Clear manipulation in New York. You're gonna have a distribution. You're gonna have a clear distribution. That will be the cycle of the market for within 24 hours. And if it's distribution, you will see New York going expanding. Okay, expanding, or either it's gonna wipe out this entire area and go down, which I highly doubt it, or it's just gonna go and poof, move to the moon, aiming probably back to these areas, aiming back to these areas. The question is, how can you win in a day like this? How can you win in a day like this? Set up a game plan. Set up a game plan, understand what price action is telling you, and from that point, live with the results, man. Live with the results. Don't go crazy. In this short range here, I set up a game plan. I got the money I wanted. I got out. Not pushing anymore. And now I just wait for the next one. If it comes back to this area here, and the reason why I'm picking up this area here, because the equilibrium that happened here might see a reaction here. You might see a reaction here. The indicator is just highlighting it for you. So go for it, kick it hard, get your money, walk out. Don't go crazy. Don't go crazy. Live with the results. Familia, if you're new, please hit that subscribe and like button. That is free. That is free, familia. It doesn't cost you a penny. Just hit subscribe, like, and if you really like the content, share it. It should be okay. It should be okay. I'm going to start doing something really, really fun. I'm going to start giving away cash of my real money. For those who participate in the chats, I'm going to start giving away money. I'm going to start giving away money. Maybe $100. We're starting with $100. Yeah, I think it will be a really cool idea. I need to see how I'm going to do that. I'm going to probably open a chat. And for those who hit like, subscribe, and share 3 times, I'm going to do a draw every day for $100 of my own money. That will be extremely fun to watch. I will be extremely fun to see happening, but I'm going to probably do that next week. So get ready, familia. Get ready. Or I can do the money or funded account, so I can give away just accounts. Maybe that's a good idea. Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna start giving away accounts instead of money. That way people don't go crazy. Oh yeah, I'll do that. For those who hit like, subscribe, and share 3 times, I will do a draw daily for funded accounts. Yes, that makes more sense. Anyways, all right. Well, the market is pushing up. As I said, familia, your stop loss will be their entry. Your stop loss will be your entry. What's going on, familia? What's going on? Brent, are you selling? No, incognito. Are you selling? Are you selling or are you buying, bro?
I took a couple sales, made a little bit more, and I'm just waiting for this little push up to be done. It's forming a little fair value. It's above the breaker structure, so I could want to start going up here, but I still think it should come down to the EMA 200 around that 23,410.
It has to. It has to, bro.
I'm just letting it breathe a little bit.
It has to.
Quick little $20, $30 moves.
Yeah, yeah. But this is what I do here. I understand, for example, liquidity very well. So what I like to do, I like to look at the past. What happened around this area? Like what happened here? Just I'm gonna try to read this. First, I don't know where these orders are. All right, but let's say just imagine you are a trader that sold here, all the way back there. And that happened July 29, which it was yesterday. You sold here, right? Start selling, 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 trailing stop, going down, down, down. What are those levels where you, as a seller, will be putting your trailing stops? And if you're doing intraday or swing trade, just think like that. So in every retracement of these levels, you are probably moving down your stop losses. Each one of these levels here, right? Depending on the kind of trader that you are or the kind of trade that you're looking for. But just imagine that you putting the stop losses across all of this stuff. Those are levels that they will be liquidity sitting down on this entire session. So the market then consolidate for a little bit, right? Consolidate across two sessions, and then it slowly try to climb back up, right? Look, it's just trying to climb back up. But every time it hits one of these levels, there's a reaction to it because it's closing temporary trailing stops. There's a reaction to it every single time that the market hits one of those levels. There's a reaction to these levels. Look, I did the levels without even looking to what happened at the front. And now when we go to the front, you guys can see that there's a reaction in each one of these levels. It's a bunch of transactions, partial transactions that are being closed from the past. So you need to understand now, okay, where are these bigger transactions that are probably sitting waiting there to be executed? And usually the bigger transactions sit on the very top. The closer to the original order block, the higher the transactions are going to be. That's why Fibonacci is a really good tool to understand that process, right? That 60%, that 70, that 70, that 88%, those are levels that Fibonacci is giving us so we understand what levels there should be a reaction in the market. But sometimes, depending on the price action, depending on what really happened behind, there might not be anything. Let's say if those transactions were moved even lower, which we don't know, then you might not see any reaction at all. But that story is going to come to us based on what happened down below here. The longer is that transaction of consolidation, that tells you really what happened with all these transactions that were coming down here, because obviously they're going, these trailing stuff are going to be moved lower and lower and lower. Just think about it. If you are in the position of them, what would you do? How would you manage that? Are you really going to let a transaction sit there for so long? Like, or are you going to actually protect what you earn and move your transaction lower? Think like that. And now you're going to see if the market breaks this structure, moving all the way up, is it actually going to react to these levels and push the market down? Or is it actually going to keep moving higher depending on what's out there? What's the news event? These reports that are like air blowing blowing the market. Is that really what's happening? Is that people are now in a euphoria that everybody's just buying? It doesn't matter what happened here. All these orders are going to be cut like cheese and just move all the way up. Well, that will you can only do that by following price action, following what this is doing. Understanding that there's orders here to be closed, understanding if these orders have enough power to push the market down or not. I sat here all the way up here because this is where things started to happen. But it might not even go up there. It might just react to any of these levels and push the market down completely. Or not. It might just keep pushing the market up and do another higher high. We don't know. There's reports coming in the afternoon at 4 p.m. Eastern that are crucial for the market. And all the investors are waiting for that. All the investors are there just waiting for that. But some people like me, we analyze the market and we understand what price action is doing and all that fun stuff. But some people don't like to make things too complicated, and they're like, I'm just gonna throw a channel here and go with it until it breaks. Or I'm just gonna go and throw a Fibonacci, wait for the price to hit there and just sell. I don't care about anything else. I'm gonna make it simple. And they develop a strategy, put their stop losses where they believe they should put it, and live with that. But when you understand really how liquidity works and where liquidity is sitting based on what price action is telling you, it changes everything. Because now you're not just living with, leaving everything to your strategy, right? Or you're not just leaving everything to have proper risk management, and you should be fine. You should be okay losing 10 trades and winning 2 because price action and risk management. No, don't leave everything to risk management. You're not here to lose. Be as technical as you can because you're supposed to have education, right? And try to win because you're not here to lose money. You're here to protect your capital and make money. Understanding the game, really good. Really good. And even having that edge of understanding the game, you have a very high risk of losing if you don't control what you're doing. That's when risk management come in place, right? Really good risk management plan. It will protect your capital at all times, but understand what the market is doing. Understand it. All right. We can see the market moving to the point that, as I said, Familia, is going to go up. And it's coming for your money. As I said, your stop loss is their entry. I just laugh when I see it because most people don't understand this stuff. Most people just go with the flow and they're like, it has to come there because it has to come there, period. You shall not pass. Poof. No. No, 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 no. Understand where liquidity is sitting. Understand what the market is telling you here. Just put yourself in their place. If I give you, let's say if I'm an investor, you are a professional trader, and I give you $10 million, and I say, listen, if you don't bring me 10% of my $10 million, you're fired. You're not making any more money. Bro, you're going to think like an absolutely every single possible way to protect my capital and understand what liquidity is sitting. So you know what everybody else is doing. That's how things work, man. And you don't have to go around that. Just understand that, and you should be good. I'm telling you, you're always gonna win. You're always gonna make money and bring bread to the table. Always, always, always. That's a formula that has worked for the last 90, 80, 70, 60 years. Nothing has changed. The only thing that's changed in the market is volatility. There's more volatility nowadays than before. There's more money into the market. And not only that, there's more people. That's the only thing that had changed. But the technical aspect of that has not changed. That's why Elliott Wave is so strong. 90 years with this doing the same dog doo-doo all the time. Come on. You know what I mean? Even like the Japanese, when they came with Ichimoku cloud, that thing is still rocking out there. Like you can see a ton of people with those clouds all over the place, and everybody wonder, what is Ichimoku cloud? Like, what is that? But it's a system that it still works. For a reason. It's the basic stuff. Ichimoku Cloud, Elliott Waves, to me, is the basic stuff. But even the basics, as of today, work amazing. Because trading at the end of the day is easy. We make it complicated, familiar. We make it complicated. Look at that. Look at that. Reaction. Familia, like, When I'm telling you that I'm not making this shit up, I'm not. Like, look, familia, I put this thing here. Look what the price just did. It went to that and reacted to it. Look, familia. Oh my God. This is like crazy. The second line, I put it right there. The price goes to it, reaction to it. Like you guys see it. Like I'm not making this up, familia. Like I'm not. You guys see it. I put the lines there flipping 15 minutes ago. You see the price, they go to these areas and react to these areas. It does have a reaction to it because there's orders there pending to be closed. If there wasn't any orders there pending to be closed, this thing will go just like in one shot all the way up there. But there's orders pending there to be closed. That reaction to it is temporarily stop losses being closed, pushing the market down. The question is that enough to actually bring the market completely down or not? That's the only question you should be asking. And guess what? When all this stuff is clear, this thing might just continue pushing even higher. When all that stuff is clear, it might continue pushing higher. As I said, familia, your stop loss is their entry. Always remember that. By the way, I'm gonna remove this because this was our original trade that we wanted here. It came down, I made money there. I'm done. So second trade around this area. And if you measure that, that will be above 78%. Let's see. If you measure this, you take this, boom, to the bottom, to the bottom. Look at that. Oh, yeah. 1 minute. My screen is too small. There you go. Almost there. Above 60, 50. Familia, we are in our entry, our second entry here. But I believe it's going to go to 78. Might go a little bit higher than that. Just trying to push. Closing temporarily stop losses. So you should be buying right now, right? From the bottom. But when it comes to this area, get ready to sell. Get ready to go short and close this transaction at least 1-to-1. Like don't overcomplicate things. Don't overcomplicate things, familia. Oh my God, familia, look at that. Familia, look at that. That's it. I was not even looking at this thing. It made the move right in our entry. 1-to-1. Yeah. 1-to-1. 1-to-1, familia. Right in our entry. Wow, that is insane. That is insane, familia. That is insane. That is insane. 1-to-1, familia. It came to our entry right there. I am all right. So lots of volume kicking in, familia. Lots of volume. Probably Powell already spoke. 237. Let's see if that's going to be the pressure to sell the market down to China, all the way down. Oh my God. 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 Wow. 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 All the money in the world or what? That's it. 1-to-1, familia. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. It's falling down like a hot potato. Yes. Falling down, falling down. Falling down, falling down, falling down, falling down. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. It's holding it. I think it's gonna go back even much lower at this point. Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy, familia. This is crazy. Falling down, falling down. It's gonna keep pushing down, familia. That was the move. That was the move. Falling down, falling down, falling down, falling down. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Is it coming down? Ay, Dios mío, what is it doing? My head is about to explode right now. My head is about to explode right now. I cannot see. Oof, familia, that was like a sniper shot, literally. It's doing the move. That's it. It's it, familia. It's doing the move. Coming down with the river. What is the market doing right now? My head is about to explode right now. Like, is it coming down? Is it coming up? Cada familia, boom, boom. Oof. As I said, your stop loss was their entry. That's it. Your stop loss was their entry. Your stop loss was their entry, familia. Your stop loss was their entry. And we are making money like there's no tomorrow here. Familia, your stop loss was their entry, and we are now 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio in profits. My God. This is life. This is how we do it, familia. This is how we do it. Your stop loss is their entry. And the market is now reacting to the area. Reacting to the area where we mentioned back into the Asia 24-hour. The question is that going to be enough or not? It might be just a move. Wow. Jesus. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I can only... Yo, Incognito, what's up, man?
What's up? What's up?
You all right?
Yeah.
You see it, man. You see it, bro.
Yeah, I'm sending a trade alert.
I'm out of the... I'm out of the trade. It took me out on trading stop.
It's coming up to come back down again.
It took me out on trading stop. My goodness. It took me out on trailing stop. The trade that I just sold over there, and now I am waiting for the next move. Wow. Heavy day. So Elise says, "Hey Luis, why do you used to you see order flow? They don't the depth of the market." That's why I'm looking at my screen on the other side that I see a lot more data flowing. I have my screen is super large, so I can see my bigger, like the bigger spectrum, like everything. If I move it to this screen, it's like so small I can't see nothing. So that's why I got this trading view for you guys here, but on my other screen I'm seeing everything. It looks beautiful. It's a beautiful screen. That's what Donald Trump will say. It's beautiful. It's the best. It's the best screen in the world. It's going back up, Familia. It's going back up. I'm not in any trade right now. It took me out on trading stuff. That huge sell is fantastic. But Amelia, I mentioned to you guys that just wait because this thing can crawl all the way up. Like just wait. They just wait. Slowly. So it's going back into a channel, going up. Blank cap is amazing. Thank you for your profit, Luis. Just got logged into this laptop in time. Thank you. Blank house, what's your name? That's Donald Trump boys. Yes, this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful chart. Everything is great. Everything is wonderful. We're gonna do great. Just buy, buy, buy. Don't worry. Buy. The market is gonna give you all the money in the world. Just yes, 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 yes. It is a beautiful trade. Don't worry about it. You guys should be okay. It's doing an Elliott wave. I'm gonna look at this. I'm looking at the 20-second time frame on my other screen, which is super fast. And the 20-second time frame is doing an Elliott wave 4. And it looks like it's going to might be extended. Like, I don't know. Ay, ay, ay. Oof, holy moly, what happened? Oh my God. What the heck is going on? What is happening over here? Moving the life. What is happening here? So, wow, drastic moves, drastic move. Spikes, Familia. These investors were like holding it there, and they're just like in the stores right now. It looks like they took like the Viagra, and they're just going crazy right now. They look like a wild horse. When there was no volume in the morning, they're going crazy right now. They're going all out, like all out. Oh, wait a minute. This is beautiful. It is doing a triangle correction. What? A triangle correction. Pushing the market down now? What? Okay. Yeah, okay. Do what you gotta do. I'm with you. So if we break this here, it will go hard down. If we break this zone, look at that, Familia. Rejection 1, rejection 2, rejection 3 out of this zone here. The London highest point. That's where the market is right now reacting to. It's a very nice point to put our stop losses. Let's see. My goodness. I have 9 winning trades, 1 losing trade in this entire session. I am trading my funded accounts, my 150K funded accounts now. And Yeah, I'm up. It's still about $1,760. Not a lot, but it's not a lot, but we'll try our best. Let's see. It's still coming down. As I said, if you break this zone, familia, it's going to the end of the world, which is already there. End of the world. My goodness.
Catch that
End of
move
the world.
down, Brent.
Yes. It went down hard. Like really, really hard.
What's up, Lewis?
What's up, man?
Just catch that move down.
Yo, Wisha, what's going on, bro?
What's going on, brother?
Man, long time no see, man. What's up, brother?
Just chilling. That was
Chilling
a
like a
nice move
villain.
down, man. Nice move down.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Chilling like a villain, bro.
Filling all those gaps. Yep.
That is great, brother. Yeah, let's do this, man. So how's Cali, bro?
Cali? I'm not
Are
in
you
Cali.
not in Cali
Wisconsin.
anymore? Oh,
No, Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
Always been in Wisconsin.
I thought you were in Cali at one point.
No, brother.
Oh, Wisconsin.
Yes, sir.
I went to Kirksville last year. You know where Kirksville is?
No.
Okay. There's a lot of rednecks, man. In that place.
Oh, yeah. Wisconsin's all rednecks, bro.
Fuck, man. I feel like I was in a scene of like The Walking Dead, bro. It's like I went to a Walmart like thinking it was gonna be like colorful, like with lots of Mexicans and all that, bro. It wasn't like that.
It's got its areas like we're seeing.
I was like, what the heck, man? I was afraid to, to getting shot for some reason,
Nah, there's
I
a
swear to
lot
you,
of hillbillies out
like
here.
for the first time, I saw people with like shotguns in the back of a truck, just like walking. I'm like, what is that? Like, is it a war zone or something? Like, bro, like in
It's
Canada, we're not
normal.
like that.
It's normal over here.
That's normal. That's not normal for me, man. Like, that's not normal for me, bro. I am a guy that when I see a gun, I'm shaking already. It's like we don't see
Yeah.
guns here. Like the most you can see is a machete on the street. Like that's it. But yeah. Yeah, the
Massive
market is
15-minute
just
candle.
what's that?
Massive 15-minute candle there.
Yeah, yeah. As I said, if
Crazy.
it breaks the area, it broke the area. It's just gonna keep pushing down like hard.
It's gonna push down into the 456s, 458.
Pushing hard, bro. Pushing hard.
All those pullbacks are nice sells.
Yeah, yeah, yep, yep, yep. I am not look at that, familia. Look at that, familia. That's it, bro. That's it. Look at our trade, man. I am out of the trade. Originally, that pullback took me out, but I got in back again with a very small lot size this time. So the question is it gonna keep moving higher, lower? I'm up by $2,100.
Let's go.
$2,100 up. And let's see if it's gonna break that zone here. If it breaks back that zone back in there, there might be a very nice pullback.
EMA is curling back up.
The market is just wild, man. Wow. Very good zone of rejection. That's what it's called, break and retest. Let's see if it's gonna do another lower low. Another lower low. Another lower low, man. Which are the one and only, bro? The last time I talked to you, it was like 3 years ago, like COVID times, right?
7 years ago, 5 years ago.
It's been a while, bro. It's been a
It's been a
while.
minute. Yeah. Yeah. I took a break.
Yeah, yeah. The binary option times.
Yeah, those man. Yeah.
With Matty Pip.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
man.
That's a character.
Those times and catching up. All right. So okay, familia. We are still on that sale. I'm still selling.
Yeah.
Up to $2,700. $2,700. Let's see if it's gonna continue pushing down. I'm moving my trailing stop. I'm moving my trailing stop on that sell. Man, that was a sniper shot. But you guys saw, like, I got in my original trade. I got out because of trailing stop. I got back inside again, understanding that this might be an Elliott wave 3 pushing the market down. Elliott wave 1, 2, 3 pushing the market down.
She goes.
Yes.
She might start bouncing right here.
Let's see. I can measure that quickly. So 1, 2, 3. Those are the levels. So we are at 100%. It might go to the 161%. At that point, it might do another wave 4, pushing the market back up. Okay. So, and you know how to catch it the wave 4s, right? So you guys have the corrections level, Elliott wave 2, Elliott wave 4, corrections in the market. So if it's a correction, you're gonna have in a much lower time frame 5 subwaves going up. But you can measure it, right? You can measure it. If the market is going down, why selling? Sorry, why buying? Sell, right? But I'm waiting to see if it's gonna come all the way down. All the way down, all the way down. I'm still in that sell, familia, making money. Making money with incognito.
Yo.
What up, bro? Are we making money or what, man?
Yeah, call the trade alert. I hit all TPs.
Bro, like, we're killing the market, man. We are killing the market right now. So that is a good thing.
It came back right at the beginning of the session. I told you it's coming back to 350. It's right back at 350.
All right.
Yep.
All right. Let's see. Let's see. It's reacting to this. He's reacting, but I think it's going to continue pushing lower, 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 lower. It's just a trap there. Trap, 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 trap.
Bull trap.
A trap. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. A little trap. It's going to continue pushing probably lower. If it does break this zone, there you go. It's just going to continue like moving lower and lower and lower, 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 lower.
A lot of sellers. A lot of buyers too.
There you go, familia. That was a nice little trap. All right, let's see. Let's see if it's going to react to it. Because if it does, then it's going to come really, really high. I think it's going to keep pushing lower. Might be coming even lower to this area now. We'll see. We're not the market makers and sellers are dominating. You see how that reaction, that's a strong reaction of the market, which I believe is going to continue pushing lower, 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 lower. There you go. Yep.
I got stopped out.
You got to stop out, brother. How is that?
Trail stop.
Okay. There you go, familia.
Say her full name.
You can't beat the market right now.
Sheesh.
There you go, familia. End of the world. It broke my screen. This trade, it literally broke my screen. The entire market is just collapsing, familia. Trailing stop all the way down. All the way down.
Might start bouncing here.
All the way down past the 261%. My God, that is brutal, familia. Like, look, that is just insane. My goodness. What are we doing here? What are we doing?
Yeah.
Like TP7 right there.
TP 200. That's what we're hitting here.
Yeah. Yep.
What's going on? The Feds?
Yeah. Powell speaking and Trump speaking in an hour.
TP 200. That's what we're doing.
Yep.
TP7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, it's 2,766 pips in profit.
That is insane, bro. So Elliott Wave 2 coming down. Now Elliott Wave going, let's see if it's going to break this zone. Oh my God. I wish you guys can see my screen in the 20-second time frame. Oof, my God. I think I'm going to have a heart attack. I'm making so much money here. It's insane. I'm trailing stop this thing from all the way from the top.
Nice bounce.
Elliott Wave 2, Elliott Wave 3, pushing the market up as a correction. Let's see if that's going to be enough. Okay. The market is going wild right now. The market is going wild right now, like extremely wild. My God, my God, my God, my God. I don't want to talk about a number, familia. I don't want to talk about a number anymore. But I'm trading my 150K accounts here. Elliott Wave number 3, pushing the market up. So let's see. Is that gonna be enough of a move to make the reverse of whatever we're doing here? I think so. That might be the move. It was too oversold at this point. Let's see. I'm switching my hats now. I'm closing my transactions. I'm switching my hats very soon. I'm looking for the fair value gap at the bottom to re-enter into this trade and now buy. Putting my stop loss below the lowest point. And be okay taking a stop loss if the market is going to do another lower low. This might be it. Let's see. It's too far for me to put a stop loss. I got to wait for a lower point. It is doing a channel right now. Let's see. Oh, come on. It tricked me. Okay, it's going to continue pushing lower, 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 lower. Let's see. That's it. I think it's going to continue pushing lower. What a nasty move. What a nasty move. It's gonna continue pushing lower, I think, at this point. Let's see. It's tricking a lot of people there. A lot of people that think that the market might just go really, really high, but it's not. It's doing whatever. I'm up $3,200 in this thing. Shoot me. I got 14 winning trades, 4 losing trades. My God. My God. Wicho, what are you in, man?
I'm not in anything right now. I'm actually
Yeah. Alleyway
I'm not-
number 2 hitting that 88%, which is extreme. It is a really good point to enter because the stop loss is just very short. Like
Give me
extremely short. But we wait for a reaction. If the reaction happens, then you get in. If it doesn't, it's gonna do another lower low.
looks
And
like that's what it wants to do.
then repeat the whole process again.
EMA 14 is
There you
crashing.
go. Oh my God, it did like a little bit above.
It's really indecisive because it's in an area of a lot of consolidation.
Yikes, he went right, like really like right on it. My God, this is out of this world. One sec. One second, familia. I am waiting. Okay. And wow, that is crazy, 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 crazy. This might be the move, familia. Like it might consolidate there a little bit. That's what we were talking earlier. You know, that move before the reports. We have been reading the entire market since the beginning of all this, including like FOMC. And we talk about the market coming down to these areas, like going all the way down. That's why we did that original trade. But there's reports coming at 4 p.m. And when that report happened, we might see the market pushing back up and making higher highs again. We might, we don't know. It's truly like you see how we measure these Elliott waves, and we look at that. Literally went to the 261%. The market is being super technical right now, extremely technical. Like we measured, it came right on the edge of that 261%, and it's just like reacting to it. React. That to me is easy money. If you didn't make all the money in the world here, you will probably want to make it. My God. Okay, so I need. It's just reacting to the area here.
Yeah, undecisive.
Yeah, it's going up and down a lot.
Buy dips, sell rips.
Yeah. So I said it's a very good area to buy here. If you guys didn't buy this, because your stop losses are very short. If it hits down, it creates another lower low, then you're out. But if it doesn't, then in this push, you make a lot of money. I didn't take it because I thought it was gonna do another lower low, but it did it twice, actually. Yeah, twice. I think it's gonna try to recover slowly. So on a push, I might buy and do trailing stop. Let's see. Just watching like a hawk.
Yeah, it's gonna start going up. EMA 14 cross.
Wow, 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 wow. It's going up. Yikes. Yeah, Elliott wave 3 in the making of a correction. Let's see. Just they're putting traps there all over the place.
All right, y'all. Well, I'm out for today. Made up some ground. This morning was pretty rough, so.
All right, bro. Thanks for
All
coming.
right. Yeah, you bet, man.
Keep in
Nice
touch,
hearing you
brother.
guys. Yeah. Thank you, Brent. See you tomorrow.
Yep.
All right, let's do this. Let's do this. I'm only up $3,400. It's fishy now. It's like holding there. Okay, so we got all the reports coming now within an hour, and they might just hold it there for a little bit, waiting for it. Now, what would be the outcome of this report? Let's say they come in a very positive way. You might see the reaction of the market then now pushing a lot higher. But let's say if it doesn't, let's say all this stuff comes really bad, you might see the market pushing all the way here into these areas again and potentially reacting to it and pushing the market back up. That is if these reports come in a negative way. If they come in a positive way, you will see this making another higher high. Another higher high. Potentially. We don't know yet. But that's what we could expect of the market. I am digging into the 1 minute time frame, and yeah, it is a negative wave 3 in that correction. So if you don't know Elliott wave, for those who know Elliott wave, just measure exactly what I did here in the 1 minute time frame to know where these things are. You see how we came to the 261%, reacted to it, pushing the market up. Do the same. Do the same measuring this. For those who know Elliott waves, just measure it because you are in an Elliott wave 3. Pushing the market back up. So you know the levels where there might be an Elliott wave 4, pushing the market back down. Elliott wave 3 is supposed to be the longest of them, even in a correction. Ay, ay, ay. Even in a correction. We're going to be catching out money tonight. We're going to do crazy withdrawals tonight. Thank you for this date because like I know it has been crazy days in the past few days, like not making a lot of money. And today really paid out pretty good for all those days that we only make breadcrumbs. Actually, I should turn on my ATM. One second. Let me see something. So let's see, edit waves. I'm gonna measure here. I'm gonna measure this here. Uno, dos. Familia, you see what I'm saying? Measure your edit waves. They don't. They're not wrong. I mean, Elliott waves are there for a reason. But then, when they actually go in profits, all right, let's see. My goodness, I'm only up by 3,600. Shit. So I got just testing out something here. I got 6 losing trade, 18 winning trades. But the last 3 trades, I was doing something within my ATM, just changing a few configurations. That's I triggered them to lose on purpose. Only one contract. All right. So anyway, number 4. Let's see. So you measure it from here to here. 50%. You see that the market is being very technical right now, extremely technical. See how we came to the 50%? That is extremely technical. So, okay, understanding that's an alleyway number 4. Let's see if we are in an alleyway 5. Because if we do, then we got some. We know how far this is going to go. All the way up there? Huh, I don't know. I don't think so. At 3:18 in the afternoon. Well, familia, what can we say about that? What can we say about that? Might come a lot lower. Let's see. If it does come a lot lower, I will believe more in that alleyway 5. It's supposed to maybe here. Okay. It's just gonna keep moving lower, I think. Let's see. It is truly just moving lower. Sitting on that edge of indecisions. Okay. Yes. Yes. It's gonna come lower. I think it's gonna target these areas here again. Let's see. Just wrapping up a lot of people into these trades. Let's see. Let's see. All right, so reaction to the area. Okay, it's reacting to the area and it is going to continue moving higher. That's it. It is truly crazy right now. It is truly crazy right now. Let's see. Coming down like it's hot. Oh my, and I'm so sorry. I'm not even looking at the chat, the Zoom broadcast. Okay, so it's coming down, 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 down. Elliott wave number 4, reaching now levels that should not be going into. So it could be invalidated. Let's see from here to here. Oh, no, it's still good. It's still good. 61%, still good. It's still good on the edge. Like, it's still very good on the edge. Let's see. Let's see. A lot of movement in the market right now. A lot of movement in the market, which is good for us. Like what he's actually doing, like we don't know. Reacting to it. He wants to go up, but it's not really doing much. Think it might just go down. No idea what the market is doing right now. It's trying to be technical, but it's not reacting to anything. It's not really reacting to anything.
I'm out, bro. I'm done for the day.
Awesome, bro. Thanks for coming, eh? We'll
No
touch base.
problem. I'll catch you tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Same thing, family. I'm gonna be heading out. I'm tired. My head hurts right now. So thanks for joining us, and keep an eye on those reports in the next 30 minutes. I'll see you around, familia. Take care.